Nice.
Then come sit down. Let me fix your monitor.
All right, welcome everybody to the Orlando ServiceNow Developer Meetup. We are having tonight an interactive game night. All right, so I'm so glad that you are here with us today. I'm just gonna make sure that we are recording, and we are recording. Okay, so um, if you are watching this later on, just follow us at Orlando ServiceNow Developer Meetup and on Instagram at Orlando SN Devs. All right. So if you like to join, come on, join this interactive game here. So we're gonna get started. So why are we doing this? So this is our agenda for tonight. We got some networking going on, presentations. We got Michelle in the house, and we got some young ones here. So everybody, so if you want to play, just go ahead and scan that QR code, connect to our Minty. Okay, you can't see it because my big head is in the way, so I'm just gonna like step over here. You see the number, boom, there it is. All right. So I just want you guys to describe your journey in ServiceNow so far. You know, if you have so this is like a cloud. That you're going to put in a word that describes your journey in life, your journey in service now, how you feeling today. So just give us some feedback, all right? So I'm gonna give you a few seconds to go through that. So we are here in the beautiful offices in Orlando, Florida, service now, and we're gonna have some great, awesome questions. But before that, I would like to talk to you about knowledge. So, oh, there you go. We got some people are excited, curious, fun. If somebody wants to watch a video. So, all right. Everybody locked in? Everybody's done, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. One more. All right, cool. Awesome. Movie. Happy, excited, grateful. All right. So I would like to share with you something that we call knowledge centered service. Have you ever heard of that? Knowledge centered service? So I'm gonna just share with you some best practices. Um, uh, I'm a knowledge uh, domain engineer, so we use what is knowledge center service. And what is knowledge center service? So I want to get some input from you guys. And what is the most important thing when you look at information, a knowledge article? What is something that is the most important for you that you get the most value out of? Okay. Is it finding the right article? Is it the clarity and conciseness of the information that the article is being presenting that's presenting you with enough details to resolve? So you can use the slider and just slide the options that you think are the most important. Okay. Accuracy and relevance. You know, when you find an article that's the one you needed, right? Is it accurate? Is the information right? Is it up to date? You know, and actionability. You know, can this article help me resolve the issue? Does it have the steps that I need? Does it have all the links? Everything's complete. Okay. So the clarity and conciseness seems to be the most important for this group of people here. So yeah, definitely being clear on defining terms before using it. Those are best practices. So we're gonna be talking a little bit about that. Okay. Who's the guy? Well, he could be one of your clients. It could be the people reading these articles, right? So what is knowledge center service? Huh? So KCS is a methodology, right? It's a way of thinking of knowledge, you know. People are encouraged to create knowledge, but it's everyone's responsibility of making it better, right? So this methodology integrates knowledge creation into daily services and support operations. So as you are helping the customer, your organization is going to create opportunities to create that knowledge, right? So it shifts the knowledge from an afterthought to a collaborative, evolving knowledge base, right? So it's not only that we're creating knowledge at the beginning and never again, right? So it's something that keeps evolving. You know, you get more people to create knowledge, and it focuses in capturing, structuring, reusing, and improving knowledge. So it's a double cycle, right? So once you have that first loop, you know, there's even more to that, but we won't get into that today. But we're gonna go over the basics, okay? And it also enhances the efficiency and reduces repeat incidents and improving first contact resolution. So basically, these knowledge articles are going to bring value to your company. They're going to allow you to serve your customers better. So these are the core principles, right? So we mentioned that earlier. To capture the knowledge from, so you need to have a workflow that allows your engineers, your technical writers, the people working hands-on into these things, give them the opportunity to create knowledge, make it easier for them. So right now we had over with our company, we had over um it's hard to tell right now, but there's over 100,000 different articles of knowledge that we needed to go through and restructure and reorganize. So right now we're even using templates. You know, we have created some basic templates, and we are restructuring it using metadata, so it's easier to find. Um, we also are using AI to find duplication, to allow the customer to find articles when they're submitting a case. So it creates a deflection. So there's probably an answer already for your question. You don't have to submit a case. You can find it in our knowledge base. And it's something that it continues evolving. It continues evolving based on feedback. We can go back and fix articles that might need to be revised, articles that need to be updated. So it's there's a feedback loop to it. So we're allowing our customers to come and give us positive and negative feedback, and giving us the details why that information needs to get updated. So the other thing is that, how do we implement this, right? So in ServiceNow, we have knowledge management, and we also have KCS, knowledge centered service plugins that allow you to update your instance and be more versatile with when it comes to knowledge. You can customize it. You can make it fit your organization. We are now creating automations and using AI to create knowledge, to summarize knowledge articles, to summarize cases, and you when using articles to create knowledge articles from solved cases. Okay, so we're using the power of AI in real time. We also implementing approval workflows. So some articles are more there's more body of governance behind some of these articles. So we need to create those approval and validation workflows, and we can measure this through our reporting systems. So we're tracking your improvement over time. So what is the bottom line for companies, huh? So when you have a good knowledge base, you're providing value to your customers, and you're reducing the time it takes to solve issues. So maybe the issue happened one time, you documented, you create a knowledge article, so the next time that same issue happens, you don't have to do the whole troubleshooting from the beginning, but you can go and leverage all those knowledge articles that are being created, and it's happening quickly. So it reduces the volume of tickets, and empowers the user to be self service, and it could increase or lower incident rates up to 40%. It also improves the user experience. The customer is able to go to a site and find the information for themselves without having to submit a ticket. And we're getting questions, so that's great. So we'll go ahead and handle questions in our next slide. But the return on investment and the savings that companies are going to get from this, plus leveraging all these AI options, is going to even have a greater impact for your bottom line. So it is definitely something that you want your organization to invest into. And it's something that it happens naturally, but at the same time, you're going to have those people that are wanting to get more into what it is, the knowledge management, creating articles, sharing information. And at the end of the day, it's going to help your organization, and it's going to help your clients and your customers to find the information that they're looking for. So what makes a great knowledge article? So it's something that's clear to understand, accurate, actionable, and we continue to improve these articles daily. So when we follow these KCS best practices, we're going to be able to be more productive to our customers, and it's going to save us time, money, and give a better experience to our customers. All right. So we have some questions here at the end. So let's see. So somebody had comment like, who is the one updating these articles? So in an organization like ours, the engineers themselves are the ones creating most of the articles. They're the ones handling these cases, and the knowledge centered service methodology. Everybody's responsible for maintaining those articles. So if you do have the subject matter expert, right, the SME, you can always go to them with difficult questions, right? But for anything that's knowledge related that that person might be experienced enough to update or to contribute, anybody can update an article. But if you want to get that extra validation, there are what we call knowledge champions, and there have been proven to uh, be the subject matter expert for those areas. So organizations can assign people to coach new people creating knowledge articles, or to answer those difficult questions. Okay. So every organization has their senior staff that can answer all those difficult questions. So that's one way to do it. Any other question? The mother of that child and the father is right here. Okay. But is there something just for those using ServiceNow? Okay, so knowledge, every organization has their own system to manage knowledge. KCS is a industry standard. So anybody can leverage KCS for their organization. It's a methodology like Scrum, like Agile. So it's just a way of thinking, way of handling knowledge that is that will improve, like iterative improvement of their existing knowledge. All right. So if anybody else has any question, definitely let us know. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our game night. Game night. Yeah. All right. So you guys ready? All right. So our first question. All right. So we got 4 players here tonight. Got Hamburger, Bunny, Santy, and a double hearted.
I am a Christmas.
All right. So all correct answers give max points. Okay, look at your device. What's the most abundant gas in space? Gas space. Gas space.
Oh no, I really don't know. I got it correct.
Everybody has voted, and the correct answer was nitrogen. Nitrogen. There's so much nitrogen. All right. Next question. So what kind of waves do cell phone use to communicate? Radio waves, light waves, sound waves, microwaves? All right, so let's see what we got. Radio waves, microwaves. Yeah, that's why it gives you radiation, like people say. Now you know. You don't know, now you know. All right, so our next question, you guys ready? You guys are doing great. When was ServiceNow founded? Hmm? When was ServiceNow founded? So last year we celebrated an anniversary, an important one. 20th anniversary. 2004. All right. So we're a 20-year-old company. We are turning 21 this year, so we're gonna be able to.
Pretty young company then.
So what are the 4 core principles of knowledge center service? We talked about this earlier. Create, organize, recycle, improve, create, capture, share, apply, create, structure, reuse, and improve, categorize, separate, recharge, and improvise. Which one you think?
The last one. I just picked.
Oh no, nobody voted. Too many words, huh? All right. So capture, structure, organize, and reuse. Okay, so this one is a little bit more technical, right? Which protocol is not supported by ServiceNow integration? REST, SOAP, JSON, FTP?
I already picked soap, and I know that's wrong. I mean, correct.
You
I mean, wrong. It's wrong.
need soap? You need to take a shower? All right. Oh no. FTP, file transfer protocol.
Soap then.
Well, SOAP is a way to communicate to the database, and JSON also, and REST also. But FTP is like an older technology. That's like when you connect files directly, and yeah, they don't use that. All right. So Mohana is winning the pack. Oh no. Who's the bunny? I poor butt. My honey bunny. Oh my gosh. All right, you're gonna get this one at least.
Look.
All right, so all correct answers. All right, let's go. What's the smallest unit of life? Proton, cell, molecule, atom. Has to have life and life in abundance. All right, cell. Let me get some points. All right, you guys ready for the next one? All right, our next question is, what's the name of the castle of Walt Disney Magic Kingdom? Come on, you guys know that one. Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella, Bells? Whose castle is it?
I think I know.
Whose castle?
It's Sleeping Beauty.
Who says Sleeping Beauty? Cinderella. Be my guest, be my guest. Come on, Cinderella, you guys. Okay, this is a quote, all right? So who said this quote? So let's see who got. There's no better experience than giving someone a piece of technology that lets them do something they never thought they could do.
Preston.
Bill Preston, Fred Luddy, Greg Swanson. So Fred Luddy is the founder of the company. So what do you think it is? Fred Luddy. It's Fred Luddy. All right, so you should know this one.
Space question.
All right, so what planet is known as the red planet? Jupiter, Mars, Venus, or Saturn?
It's Jupiter.
Who thinks it's Jupiter, huh? All right.
Or one.
Mars.
Mars. You should know that. You should have known that.
All right. You guys ready for the next question? All right, so the next question is gonna be, what's the most abundant gas in Earth atmosphere? All right, let's see, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. Who said that one? Oh my God, we will be all dead if that was the case. No, but it should be nitrogen. Wait, nitrogen or hydrogen?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. I don't think hydrogen is
You got
it's nitrogen. All right. And we got some old looking picture there. What does that mean?
That's Disney.
again.
So what's the name of Disney's first animated feature film? Bambi, Cinderella, Snow White, or Bambi again? So you,
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Snow White, yay.
Show me
You guys know your Snow White movies. Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
All right. All right. They're catching up. They're catching up. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, so this one is about technology. Let me see.
We still got them all right.
What's at the forefront of ServiceNow digital transformation? Virtual agent, Nowbot, AI agents, service assistant.
I know this. What is it? Pantalian. Steve.
AI agents. Yes, we're going hard with the AI.
Oh no.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Let's see if you guys know some coding here.
When are our questions coming up?
What is the
Oh, they're
primary
taking the
description
last-
language used in ServiceNow?
What's the primary scripting language used in ServiceNow?
JavaScript.
Well, go with the one you could know.
I was gonna put- That's cool.
JavaScript. Yes.
I don't know nothing about coding.
I got it right. Why am I so small? You did it right.
What ServiceNow feature allow applications to be packaged and shared? App Engine Studio, update sets, catalog, application builder. App Engine Studio. App Engine Studio is an easy way to share and publish applications. All right.
Founded.
What year did Disney World open? Disney World. 1955, 1969, 1970, 1971. This is Mickey Mouse in Orlando. Mickey Mouse in Orlando.
Okay.
Oh, 1971.
Oh, this is my question. Who is this? Come on, be quiet. It's about friction. Who is that? Be quiet, it's me.
What type of energy is the following action? Mechanical, light, heat, electricity, or sound?
It's so easy. People, you should know
It
it.
makes sound too.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah, there's two. There's two correct answers.
And mechanical. All right, so let's see what we got. Uh-oh, Mohana. Mohana didn't get any points.
No, she's not.
And she's still in the lead.
Oh,
All right.
you just said the answer.
So what's in the Lion King? What's Simba's uncle's name? Skinner? Shere Khan? Scar? Shenzi?
Winner.
Oh, everybody knows. Okay, here's the KCS double loop. You guys remember capture, structure, reuse, and improve.
No, I don't remember. You never told us.
So which experience is not in the solve process? Capture, reuse, improve, performance assessment, structure.
It's not.
Which one is not in the solve process?
I think oh no, I think
Okay.
no.
Performance assessment. Uh, all right. So this one has to do with movies. Okay.
Why Terrifier?
Ready?
No, dale, throw it away.
What happened with the other question? What first step before creating a new agent? What is the first step? Identify the use case. So the first step is to always identify why you're creating this AI agent. All right, so I wonder who that is. When was the first Sonic game released? June 20, 1990, June 23, 1991, June 21, 1992.
Let's see if you guys.
The same year that Titanic came out. Probably not.
I couldn't think.
June 23, 1991. According to Google, right? Whoa, uh-oh. Oh. Okay, we still got 5 more questions.
It's fine. 99%. Wait, can't find. But I see the difference already. Oh, was you up to
Okay,
them?
how are all forms of energy similar?
Got it.
They produce motion, produce heat, produce change, kinetic energy, potential energy. 3, 2.
It's one of the. Yeah, I got it.
All energy produces change.
The bacon. No, it's not the bacon. It's not.
Oh yeah, the bacon too.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What is it? There's another one in the cup. Look, do you see one of those nuts that's up and I see it. Yeah.
All right, question about electricity.
Wait, where's mine?
What is the crucial relationship between voltage, current, and resistance called? Murphy's law, relativity theorem, Morse code, Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law. You know what's Murphy law? Who said that one? You. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong.
Oh, that's really how I picked that.
Okay, so
Yeah, so you didn't get it right.
knowledge management. Let's see what it says. What is knowledge center service? Oh, operational efficiency, self-service assess, learning and improvement, member experience, all of these.
Did nobody pay attention?
All of these.
All of these.
You get a free point. All right, our last question for the night. Okay, so you can't answer that. Okay, in what year did Sam Walton founded Walmart in Rogers, Arkansas? 1952, 1962, 1925, 1971.
Yes, I'm just gonna put.
50s or 60s or 70s or 20s.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see if we can find some differences here. Like pin it.
Okay, I got, what do we do with pin?
I guess you gotta pin, you get to pin one. See if everybody gets like,
Pin.
there's only 4, but
I did the mountain.
somebody,
There's like
I
more
pinned
than
one.
5, okay?
Right?
yeah, just pin.
Oh, that's how you do it?
Yeah, just, you only can pin one. So.
Oh,
I
okay.
just pinned one.
Me
Me
too.
too.
And I see the other one too. 1, 2,
Where are
3,
who?
and
Yeah, there's tons of difference here.
Yeah, there is.
so 1.
Everybody did it.
There's only 3 pins.
No, I see the 4. Yeah. Can I pin it too?
No.
No?
I don't know. Can you?
Yes.
But did it get rid of the other pin?
Oh yeah, it did.
See, you can't pin
Yeah, you can only do one. Okay. All right.
So
Well,
the last one was the B.
so our final champions. Let's see. We got Mohana.
What? Last place.
Mohana. Mohana. Ah. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you for everybody for joining us. Here we are. Those are the crew members that are usually here, but I don't know, maybe they got the memo late or something came up. But until next time, please come and follow us, join us in our next meetup, and we'll see you on the next one. All right. So God bless you. Take care and keep servicing people. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.